Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to remove password and open PowerPoint file. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing we want to do is to open up the PowerPoint file that was protected with password. And for us to do that, I will simply come to the top right here, double click on this PowerPoint slider, and it's going to load up. And then what we need to do is to allow, once it's loaded up like so, next thing we need to do is to enter the password that we will use to protect the file. So I'm going to simply enter the password. Then I'm going to simply click on OK. Boom. And we have the file successfully opened right here. Now let's see how we can simply remove the password totally from this file. And for us to do that, what we need to do is to come to the top right here. We click on File. And this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to Info, and it takes us right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to Protect Presentation, and it's open up like so. Next thing we need to do is to simply click on Encrypt with Password, and it takes us right here. Next thing we will need to do is to highlight the password and press the Delete key. And the next thing we want to do is to simply click on OK, and with that, password has been removed from the file. Now, for us to confirm, what we need to do is to simply click on here to go back, and then next thing we want to do is to save this file back to the previous original one. For us to do that, what we need to do here is to simply come to the top right here, click on this close tab, then we come here and we make sure we click on save, just like so. The file has been saved back to the one that have password. Now next thing we want to do here is to simply open up the file, and for us to do that, we come back to the file right here. I'm going to double click on it, and we allow it to load up. And in a few seconds, it's load up and straight up into the PowerPoint presentation without asking me to enter my password. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to remove password from PowerPoint presentation file. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.